Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Xiaomi has marked its return to the portable audio segment with the launch of its new Xiaomi Portable Bluetooth Speaker, currently available in China at a competitive. The speaker features a minimalist, ultra-compact design in a durable anodized aluminum body, 249G, 154 by 56 by 25.4 mm, with IP66 certification for dust and splash resistance. Audio output is 6W, delivered by two 40mm drivers and a passive radiator for enhanced bass, and is fine-tuned using the proprietary Nightingale audio algorithm for adaptive environmental equalization. Connectivity specifications are modern, including Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB-C, and HyperOS compatibility, with the ability to link two units for stereo mode or daisy-chain up to 10 speakers. The most notable feature for its price range is the 4 GB of internal storage, which allows users to save up to 750 songs for offline playback, essentially functioning as a standalone MP3 player. It is powered by a 1980 mAh battery, guaranteeing up to 10 hours of continuous use. International release is highly anticipated. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.